Okay, hallo Leute. Ich freue mich wieder hier zu sein. Today, we are going to learn the numbers. We learn how to pronounce them and we learn how to use them in addition, subtraction, to do addition, to do subtraction, and all that. So our goal now is to learn it from 1 to 100, and it can so just go very, very, very fast. Very, very fast. Okay, now we just want to start now. The first one is null, that's 0. The second one, which is 1, 1, 2, 3. If you notice something, you see that the E and I is I. So you see 2, and then you see the Z here. It's pronounced like T and S. So we have T, 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 2, 3, 4. You notice this one. So you see IE is E, EI is I, something like this, 3. And then this one is E, 4. And then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You pronounce it as I pronounce so that you master the pronunciation. 10. Remember, this is the Z again. T and S. 10. 10. And then we go to the next one. 11. 11. The Z again. 12. 12. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 17. 18. 19. 20. 20. Good. So we have been able to do it from 1 to 20, and I expect you to go through the video so that you'll be able to pronounce them very well. We go to the next one, and there's something very, very interesting about numbers in German. When you want to call 21, in English, you know, we start with the 20 and then the 1, but in German, it's the other way around. The 1 will come first, okay? So we have the example, and then in English also, we say 21. But in German, we will say 1 and 20. Okay, so we have ein und 20. You see the 20 here, this same 20, and then we see 1 and 20. That's how it is in German. And then we come to the next one. This is 21. And then we have 22. Just take the 2 here. This one, 2 and 20. Or if you like, 2 plus 20. 2 und 20. The next one, this is 22. The next one, 23. 3 und 20. On and on. 4 und 20. And then look at the next one. 5 und 20. 6 und 20. 7 und 20. 8 und 20. 9 und 20. And then this is 30. You have 30. 30. If you notice, the I is always I. 30. 30. 30. 30. Okay. Then after that one, it's now easy for us to be able to say 31, 32, 33. You just do the same process here. You follow it. You take this 30 and then you put the 1 in front, and 30 and 1, 30 and 2. I mean 1 and 20, 1 and 2 and 20 and 30 and all that. So we have 30, and then we come to 40. This is 40. For instance, ein und 40. Remember the ein, 1, and then plus or and 40. So we have 40 is 40, and then the 41 will be 41. And then 50, this is 50. And then 60. And then 70, this is 70. 70. The next one, 80. 90. 90. Then we have 100. Like a journey we're there. 100. That is 100. That is 100. 100. Okay. So with this, we are able to learn from 1 to 100. So I want you to repeat it over and over until you are able to do it. We're going to do a little exercise now. Also, jetzt müssen wir jetzt eine kleine Übung machen. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Okay, oder bis gleich. Bis gleich. Thank you. Okay, now we want to do some arithmetics with the numbers that we have learned. And we are going to do that by asking a question. Wie viel ist das? Wie viel ist das? Yeah? Wie viel ist das? That is what's the answer to that, was the addition, was the total of that. Wie viel? How many is that? So we have some mathematical or arithmetical signs that we need to learn in German too. The first one is plus, and we call it plus. And this one, minus, mal, and durch. So plus, minus, mal, durch. Okay, and these are the signs, of course. So I will read it. I want you to also learn it. 5 plus 6 ist 11. Ich wiederhole. 5 plus 6 ist 11. That simply means 5 plus 6 equals to 11. The next one, 25, you remember, we mentioned the one at the back first, and 25 and 20. 25 minus 7 ist 18. 18. Okay? Then the next one, 10 mal 4 ist 40. 10 mal 4 ist 40. And the next one, 60 durch 5 ist 12. 60 durch 5 ist 12. And then we have some other exercises here, which very easy. Okay, let's just go through it, and I'll be faster now. 18 plus 8 ist 26. 17 plus 17 ist 34. 15 durch 3 ist 5. 90 minus 18 ist 72. 5 mal 11 ist 55. I like that number because of the way it sounds. 55. Yeah? 55. Okay, that's it. And I hope with this, we're able to do some exercises without having problem. Okay, also, dann machen wir jetzt eine kleine Übung, zu prüfen, ob wir die Zahlen schon richtig bemerkt oder richtig gelernt haben. Okay, danke. Now, we want to do some exercises just to prove if we have mastered what we have done. Okay, and then we have the same question. Wie viel ist das? Wie viel ist das? So, 23. How do you say that in German? 23. 23 plus 19 ist, and then the second one, we still get the answer, but let's pronounce it first. 100 minus, how to pronounce this one in German? 79 ist, and then we come to the third one, 15 mal 4. I hope you master the way we pronounce these symbols. 15 mal 4 ist, and then number 4, 13 plus 6 minus 7 ist, and then the last one, number 5, 10 plus 12 mal 2 minus 5 ist. So I want you to do that now quickly. Just get it done, and then I'll supply the answer so that we want to see if you are really mastered the numbers and then the little arithmetic. Okay, so we're going to do the correction from the first one. If you look at the first one, 23 plus 19. What did you write? Okay. 42. 42. Number 2. 100 minus 79. What did you have? Okay, das ist 21. Okay, the third one, Nummer 3. 15 mal 4. Das ist 60. Nummer 4. 13 plus 6 minus 7. Das ist, was ist das? 13 plus 6. Das ist 19. Und dann wieder minus 7. Hier ist 2. Und hier ist 12. Haben wir 12. Okay. And then I want you to look at this. Have you done it? 10 plus 12. 10 plus 12 mal 2 minus 5. Das ist 29. Das ist 29. Okay, das ist 29. Okay. Sehr gut. So, I want you to do some other exercises on your own. Just put the figures together and just add them together, subtract them, and on, so that, and you say it loud. Read it out the way I'm reading it. Don't just write it. It's a language. You should be able to speak it out, and by so doing, you keep on doing it until you master the number. And then I want us to go a bit beyond 100, and that's why I have here 200. This is 200. 300, 300. 400, 400. And then on and on to 900. And then we'll come to 1,000. 1,000. And we go on at that also. 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 100,000. Just keep on going, and later we'll talk about the rest, the other numbers. Okay, I hope with this we are able to master all the numbers, and then we know some arithmetic calculation or mathematical calculation, and with that we are able to use the number on a regular basis. Okay, we meet next time for the next lesson. Okay, Meine Damen und Herren, lieber Lerner und Lernerinnen, ich sage einfach mal jetzt Tschüss und sehen wir uns beim nächsten Mal. Wiedersehen.